In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install DocuSign, a powerful platform that helps streamline your document signing process. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any other form of documentation, DocuSign offers a seamless digital alternative to traditional paper-based workflows. Let's get started with the installation process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, look for the Help section, which can be identified by either the word Help or a question mark icon encircled in your interface. This helpful area serves as your gateway to myriad resources and support options within DocuSign. After you've clicked on the Help icon, you should see an option for the Support Center. This area is essential for accessing various guides and resources that can enhance your experience with DocuSign. From the Support Center, you're going to click on the Resources tab. It's here where all the tools and downloads you'll need are compiled neatly for easy access. Once you're in the Resources section, go ahead and select the Downloads option. If you're using a Windows system, this next step is for you. In the Downloads section, you'll need to look for an option labeled DocuSign Edit for Windows. Clicking this will prompt the download process to begin. This particular piece of software is tailored specifically for Windows users, offering a customized environment for editing and managing your documents directly from your desktop. Once the download is complete, you're ready to move on to the installation phase. Locate the downloaded file on your computer, which is typically saved in your Downloads folder unless otherwise specified during the download process. Click on the file to open and run the installation process. This will initiate a series of installation instructions on screen that you'll need to follow to properly set up the application on your computer. The installation typically involves agreeing to the software's terms of service and choosing preferred settings for your installation, which may include selecting a destination folder for the program or deciding what additional components, if any, you wish to install alongside the main software. Be sure to read each step carefully to ensure the setup is handled according to your preferences. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to installing DocuSign on your Windows computer. Don't hesitate to reach out to the DocuSign support resources if you run into any issues or have questions during the installation process. Feel free to explore the platform further to discover all the ways it can improve your document management. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your installation.